Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create or make a filter for your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to a spreadsheet with some more content than this one here. So what you want to do, guys, is you can or you may apply a filter to both to columns as well as to specific cells. So let us apply it to, let's say, that column here. Click into it, and after that navigate to create filter, which is here in the top right, and that is going to add that small symbol here to the right. Click into it and select the type of filter, like sorting from A to Z, sorting from Z to A. For example, if you have a column with the data with various data ranges, excuse me, or you may sort by color, filter by color, filter by condition, and so on and so forth, guys. So select the one you would like to go with. For example, let us go with a condition filter, and here select one of these, like is greater than, and then you add the value of or formula greater than, let's say, I don't know, 1.0. Apply the filter below, click into OK, and as you can see, the filter has been applied and has only filtered or has filtered out only those numbers that are higher than the applied value, guys. And that's it. You can customize that filter again by clicking into it and, for example, select another one, and that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, of course, if you right click into that filter, you may also remove it here. There you go. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.